Using antiquing glaze to stencil your piece just gives such a natural, effortless look. Hey guys, welcome back to A Vintage Makeover. If you're new here, we love flipping furniture and we do this by staining, sanding, painting, and adding some stenciling and all that good stuff. And we really just bring you along for the whole process. So if you want to see how today's project went, then keep watching. When I first saw this piece, I thought it was so cute with those heart cutouts. It was so unique already in itself. I just had some ideas running around in my head on what I could add to it. This piece had definitely not been touched in a while because it was very dusty, so it needed a thorough cleaning, and then I just gave it a light sanding all over because it really just had a very thin stain on it and it was very easy to just get that off. I went with a hazelwood stain because I thought that that would match the room that I planned to put it in. After applying the stain, I just simply wiped away with a cloth until all that excess stain was gone. I only stained certain parts of this piece because I plan on painting the shelves. I'm painting the shelves a light gray color to go along with that grayish toned stain. It's so interesting having two tones that are so similar and having the shelves be that opaque gray and then having the sides be that more transparent stained gray. I painted my first shelf with a brush and it just looked a little too streaky for me, so then I went over to the sock method. This really just gives you the thinnest coat of paint you can get, and you can go in with multiple layers for the smoothest finish. I did go in with a brush just on the sides to get a clean line. After all my shelves were painted, I went in with my antiquing glaze to add on my stenciling. I love the transparency in antiquing glaze because it really just gives such a natural finish. I'm only adding the stenciling to the shelves because the sides of the piece already have those heart cutouts, and I think it would be a little too busy adding some stenciling to that. Adding corner stenciling to these shelves really just makes it look so elegant. I alternate it from left to right on each shelf to really bring out that floral vine quality that the stencil already has itself. It's always so reassuring to see that the smallest changes to a piece can really change the whole entire look of it. I really believe that dressing up these shelves really made this piece feel so much more complete. Head to our website to check out more of our stencils, and don't forget to tag us on social media with your stencil art.